We are here in Diepslot this morning to do tax shop inspections. We have brought different departments in the city, your development planning, the land use unit, the building control unit, health, as well as brought environmental health inspectors who are also here. We have also brought the environmental health inspectors as well from the Department of EISD in the city. We have public safety as well around. Home Affairs is here. The immigration unit is also here with us to support the launch of the Spaza Shop campaign that we are launching as the city, and it's a launch that we intend to spread it throughout the city in all the regions. We will be going to our regions and doing these operations. The intention really is to make sure that our community is safe. Our community, we don't experience more of these killings that we have experienced in the past few weeks. Just to make sure that health and safety of our community is attended to as government, and the expectation is for the government, the community in the area to also support us, because these particular Spaza shops are within their households, and it's important that they also comply in terms of their buildings, because most of them, their buildings are not compliant in terms of the regulations of the law. So we expect the community also, other stakeholders within the community to also be part of us in this fight against illegal products that are sold in our Spaza shops.